The Sindh Institute of Urology and Transplantation (SIUT) is a dialysis and kidney transplant center located in Pakistan. SIUT was founded by Dr. Adibul Hasan Rizvi and it is Pakistan's largest kidney disease center, as well as Pakistan's largest public sector health organization. It began as a department of urology at the government-run civil hospital in 1970 and became autonomous in 1991. The Sindh Institute of Urology and Transplantation (SIUT) is regarded as one of the premier institutes in the world that provides the free of cost treatment of urological and nephrological ailments, oncological treatments, treatments of hepatic and gastrointestinal disease, and organs transplantation facilities to the general public, and provided to the every soul with dignity and compassion, free of cost and without the discrimination of caste, creed, color, or religion. Sindh Institute of Urology and Transplantation (SIUT) is currently very active in humanitarian service with selfless humanitarian services. At present, about 23.6 million people are benefiting from the various sectors of SIUT. The institute has so far successfully transplanted 6,350 people, including 1,000 children. The center has 330 dialysis machines and is also known as the largest dialysis center in South Asia. This is a special campaign on international and national media is currently underway to save the precious human lives. The campaign aims to highlight the organization welfare services and encourage the people to support it financially. The institute performed the dialysis of 394,000 patients annually. There are also 6 lithotripters where the kidney stone in the human body are broken down and taken out. And the most amazing thing is that there is no cash counter in this institution. This humanitarian organization is run on the basis of zakat and donation from the people. SIUT's motto is the best treatment for all, but it still needs the financial support from the philanthropists to provide the medical care to the public. The SIUT is currently in full swing to save and protect the precious human lives, especially during the month of Ramadan. Philanthropists can collect the donation by calling, and you can also transfer your money online by visiting www.siut.org. This is a special campaign to pay the thanks, acknowledgement for SIUT. Thanks for watching.